the 1970s, the relationship of the government of this country with the church could be summed up in the following statement made by the then President of India, Shri V.V. Giri. He remarked, I quote, "The Christian community in India is a minority. The people of India owe a great deal to their Christian brethren for their magnificent efforts in the field of education, health, and general social development." Unquote. This scenario is changing today in the context of our nation. The proposed draft of the new education policy has been brought out recently, but such a recognized stakeholder as the church has not been taken into confidence at all. There are elements today who accuse the church in India of engaging in proselytization and conversions. Our charitable works are looked upon with suspicion and as an allurement for conversion. The church has often been accused of being of foreign origin, although it has gifted the nation with some of the finest high-ranking defense and administrative personnel who have defended our country and served it with exemplary patriotism and dedication. Our institutions have been attacked, robbed, burnt down, and the perpetrators of these crimes often go scot-free. It is almost as if the tiny 3% is posing a serious threat for the disintegration of the whole nation. Elections to the Legislative Assembly of the state are approaching, and the church leadership in Goa will take up once again this duty-bound task. We do issue guidelines to our faithful on how to exercise their franchise and thus fulfill one of their sacred civic duties. These guidelines are read out in our churches, but they never mention the name of any candidate or any political party. The people are sovereign, they decide.